guys, I'm back to YouTube. Okay, so yeah, the day I was recording that, I was taking the break at the same time. I just did the info and stuff because I realized that I'm back now. That means I can record. That's good. Okay, guys, I'm really happy. So today, after the contest is over and I give all the prizes away, I've switched them up a little bit, but still. After the prizes, that means we'll do an art contest. It will be a really huge art contest, and the winner wins. The winner wins a buddy spot, and Thank Mimi's is already my buddy, so if she wins, she'll just win something that I have. And yeah, guys, you might win a buddy spot and something I have. So first place is buddy spot and something. Second is a buddy spot, and then third is the prize. Okay, guys. And the other ones, yeah. I don't have that much. Just put it on a YouTube video, and then put something in the comments, so I can go check it out. And you can also do it on Hangouts, and you can text me it. Just if you have a phone number, you can text me it. You can tell me your phone number, and then I'll look it up. Put fan in it. Yeah, guys, you can just text me it then. Okay? I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, guys. I can't wait to record again. Love you all. Bye.